Today I'll show you how to make a smooth speed ramping effect in Premiere Pro. Here I have a video on a timeline, and the first thing we gotta do is hover over this effects square, right click it, expand this option called speed remapping, and then click on speed. Now you're gonna have a line that basically changes the speed of your video. Let me show you how. For example, if I move to this point in the video and hold Control on the keyboard, or Command if you are using Mac, and then click on this point, you will see an icon appear above the line. Next, if I move to another point in the video and click again, while still holding Control, I can drag this line upwards and set the value to, let's say, 500%. This will create a time remap effect. Also, if I zoom in on a timeline a bit, I can click on the left side of this indicator and drag it to the left, and also drag this other icon to the other side. And by doing so, I can smooth up the transition between normal and faster speeds. I can further smooth out this effect by dragging this middle handle icon and make it vertical like this. So this is how it should look. You can add as many speed ramps as possible to your video, and you can also add a nice slow motion by dragging the line downwards for a specific portion of your clip. If the video is lagging when you're playing it back, a quick tip is to hit X on the keyboard to select the layer, go to sequence, and then click on render in to out. And that should help you see how the time remap works in your clip and adjust it better. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.